So in this video, we're just going to briefly describe what a single variable quadratic equation is. So a single variable quadratic equation is going to have this form: 0 equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And the numbers a, b, and c can be any real number that live on the real number line. They don't have to be nice numbers. A can't be 0, and the reason a can't be 0 is if we have something of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, if a were equal to 0, we'd have 0x squared plus bx plus c, and this term would go away because 0 times x squared would be 0. We would actually have a linear equation that we've already done this semester. And when we say that a, b, and c can be any number on the real number line, this means that they can be anything that lives on the number line between negative infinity and infinity. So certainly the coefficients like a could be 7, we could have b being -3, and c could be a 2. That would be fine, but they don't need to be nice. This could be 3/4 x squared minus, and this coefficient could be the square root of 2 times x plus, and the constant term could be something like pi. In general, in the homework we're going to feed you things that are nice and have nice integer coefficients or rational number coefficients, but they don't need to be. And notice the only restriction on a is that, the only restriction is that a can't be 0. So it's perfectly okay for b and c to be 0. So something that looks like this is still a quadratic equation in a single variable. Something that looks like this is still a quadratic in a single variable. So either of these two terms can be missing if b or c is equal to 0.